Ayun na nga. Biglang nag-end. Kasi yung music, ganyan talaga dito guys sa IG. Bawal talaga mag-music ng matuloy. Hoy, Jello, ba't ka nandito? Hello po sa mga sa mga friends ko na umakyat dito, bigla. Nanood. I know you're watching. Uy! At saka sa mga plastic kong friends dyan, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing well. Sana nakakain kayo at nakakatulog kayo ng maayos. I love you. I am in Arizona. We're headed to Los Angeles next weekend. What are you guys doing there? I hope you guys have fun. Says the gorgeous one. You guys. Char! Watching from Biliran. Hello. Hello, Vanessa. Ingat palagi. Thank you, Belly. Angie loves. How are you? Si Nicole ba to? Hoy, Nicole. Okay lang ako. I miss you. Pagbisaya daw kay Kadiyot, ma'am. Saan ba ng kadiyot? Uy! Saan ba na word? Oh, wow. Ay! Kurutan ko. In case you haven't noticed, when everybody's tired. Yan yung pawis ko guys. Nandito na sa mata. Pa-shout out. Shout out kay Cleof. Kay Cleofi Mar. We'll have to wake up early, but I'll text you tomorrow. Sige. Ay, ba't ako Bisaya? Okay. I was speaking Bisaya. I hope you have a good night, okay? I'll message you too. I'll update. Kaduyot! Saglit. Okay. I love tea. Kasi guys, hirap akong labas. So, what I do is I drink tea. Because it helps a lot. Tsaka ihi ako ng ihi. Case you haven't noticed. Daga nagbisaya. Oy, guwapa, jod, ma'am, as in. Ay, ginoo ko. Gabi ka bola. Ini-strop pala ang tabo. Walang yaka. Sino ka? Si Sea Salt. Hoy, Sea Salt. Baka di ka maging Sea Salt ngayon. Baka maging sabaw ka. Namayat ka, G. It's because I'm eating healthy and I'm taking care of my body. And guys, nagsearch kasi ako. Tapos bigla akong may nakita sa Instagram about longevity. You know, gusto ko din mabuhay hanggang 90 years old. Kasi parang feeling ko may na-achieve ako pag umabot ako ng 90 years old. With the help of God and with the help then of, you know, God's gift for us, which is food. And how we take care of it, how we intake the food that is given to us freely, and we don't temper our body, guys. Sometimes kasi we temper our body. We eat what we eat junk foods, we eat all of this trash which is not really needed and doesn't have any nutrition in it. And yeah, so as much as possible, I want to live long and healthy. And gusto ko kahit nagkaugod-ugod na ako, at gusto ko kahit, alam mo yung